Good evening, friends. I hope everyone had a great day of trading. I welcome you to this analysis video of Catalyst Trading Institute. Friends, today we had analyzed Nifty, Banknifty. I had said Nifty, and there is a Nifty expiry, but every day there is a pattern which is happening. Today, probably the pattern may change. I was not expecting a big range volatility, but I was expecting some profit booking coming in today. I hope people made good money in profit booking. The range was big, right? And it was volatile. The reversals happened three times, right? Today, I think it opened, came down, then again went up, then came down, then again went up, and then came down, right? So, people who enjoy these kind of markets would have made good money, but otherwise, it would have been a stop loss hunting day for many people who actually try to hold on to their positions without stop loss or keeping big stop losses in their kitty, right? So we had a mixed day. I think one trade hit a stop loss in Bank Nifty, but otherwise had a good day at the closing. I could not update the calls. I was outside, right? Clearly, my message yesterday, guys, was do not short Nifty. Nifty IT is looking strong. Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, you could see profit booking, and that is what it has done. We were looking at rising of VIX. Again, I'm not comfortable till VIX actually goes about 12.5. I won't consider it as something to do with the VIX related element, right? So let's get into the analysis. VIX actually did increase today. There was volatility, which is good news for tomorrow, right? Actually, if it goes about 12, you could see some serious profit booking coming in the market, right? Now let's look at the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty on a daily time frame has created a candle which is known as long-legged doji. If you see, there is a small body in between. There is a swing up and swing down, wick up and wick down. But if you see, supply is more, demand is less. Now in this situation, it will make trading very tricky. There is an angular trend line, right? I don't call this as a trend line for a simple reason that it's too sharp or it's too acute, right? So let's take this trend line out for a moment, right? For me, simply put, till market is trading above this level, right, the bears will not be comfortable. It has to actually break, retest, and then break, right? Somewhere here, if you get a price action, you can start holding on to your puts for a longer duration. Else there is no holding put business. Else there is no holding put business right now. Wherever you are getting an entry, take an entry and take your profit. So let's look at it from tomorrow, right, friends? What are the different possibilities that we have in the market? See, there is a tweezer top here, right? At the tweezer top you may find another round of resistance. So somewhere near this area, if market starts forming a bearish candle, right, tomorrow, if it opens gap up, see, today US market is closed, right? So there are no queues available. But tomorrow, if market opens gap up, touches this place, and then creates a bearish candle, I would be looking at shorting here, keeping the 45 650, right? From a call, either you can short call option or you can start buying puts once the put goes above VWAP, right? I am looking at this as a target. So gap up of 100 200 points, I would look at shorting from this area. A big gap up about this, I would want to wait and watch. I do not have any view there, right? A flat opening, so this is my first possibility. A flat opening, right, somewhere in between this candle. A flat opening somewhere in between this candle will make life very tricky. Ideally, there you will have to wait for a range. It could break out and give you 150 points on the bull side, or if it kind of, this is one scenario, right? This is one scenario. There are, tomorrow you will have to be neutral in the market. If it is creating this kind of candle and start consolidating here to create a range, only then short it for these targets, right? This is a bigger target, but I cannot. So on the bull side, because market is bullish, right, consolidation breakout, I will enter here. I need a consolidation, either just near the range breakdown or just after the breakdown. One of this has to tick, either this or this condition, right? Else I will not touch the put. A big gap down. So this is the situation 3, a big gap down, right? Today market has more or less, right, taken a support. Now interestingly, if I connect two trend lines, right, a gap down around 4506 would mean if you get a bullish candle here, right? So any bullish candle in this zone or in this zone would invite buying, right? A gap down and touches this level by 10:30, 11 o'clock, again it will go up, right? So for tomorrow the best situation would be market opening flat to slight gap up, or if it gives a flat opening and then creates a range and then falls, it will give you good movement. Do not expect big points, guys. It's long legged doji. You have supply above, you have demand below. Please don't expect big movement here, right? Do not expect a big movement here, right? This is the situation with bank nifty on the spot chart. Now let's look at the component charts, right? I think HDFC, I was expecting profit booking HDFC Bank here, till HDFC Bank actually breaks this level, right, 1720, and again here also the profit booking is 10-12 points. Kotak is now gradually going up, so neutral, but HDFC is definitely looking at some profit booking to happen after that mad run last week. If you see, right, below this level, right, once it starts closing, it could give you a 10 to 12 point move. ICICI again as a support here. Let's see what it does below 940. You can see targets of 5 to 8 points in HD in ICICI as well. Axis supporting this. Axis actually can come and retest this level of 10 to, somehow the component chart are neutral to bearish more, right? Same is the case with SBI is at support. I need a closing below this for the targets of 575, right? But I don't think SBI will give this bigger move. IndusInd saw profit booking. IndusInd is at support. I am looking IndusInd as, so IndusInd and Kotak are looking neutral to bullish, but the big components are definitely suggesting some sign of bearishness in the profit booking in the components, right? We move on to the option chart is giving more clarity. If you see, this is a clear, okay, so tomorrow, right, I want opening between 266 and 300, right? I want an opening between 269 and 300. I need an opening consolidation, and after 945 if it breaks out, right, your first target could be 364, next could go 391, and then it could go all the way to 452. This is 45,500 PE, right? Here 45,100 CE, right? Actually it's suggesting some kind of breakdown, right? If you see, there is a big supply created here. I would wait and watch CE at least from the option chart, right? If it actually breaks down, creates a demand week here, I may want to see, ideally in the way it should happen is it should break down, immediately go up, right, create a hammer kind of candle here. Above this I will buy it for the targets of 470. Risk reward looks more skewed towards put, guys, somehow, right? It is not inspiring confidence in me to go on the long side looking at the call and put charts, right? We will quickly get into Nifty 50. I said don't short, right? It's a buy on dip. If you see, it's properly taken support at this swing area, has gone up, created a new high. Bank Nifty has also created a new high. It came down and it has not retested this level. So for tomorrow, Nifty per se, right, you can clearly see you need a closing below this area. So probably this could be the first time support that Nifty could take and then zoom up. But if you have a gap down or a closing below this, then you can target this area. I'm more looking at bull side in Nifty. I am thinking it will take one round of support here somewhere and then go up at bullish candle, right? Big gap up avoid. I am looking at Nifty to be trading in this range of 19,200 to 19,420. Though that 200 point range, somewhere if it opens and till it actually breaks out, there is no movement. Now why are we saying so? If you see, right, Bank Nifty is actually suggesting some weakness, but if you see Nifty IT, I said yesterday also, right, do not short it. The reason, and I said Nifty IT components are all looking strong. This is just a profit booking. Now it has actually given a solid body closing. It can go all the way up to 30,127. Same is the case with Nifty FMCG. It's at all-time highs. If you see, at every dip it's getting bought. So Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG and defensives, right, could lead the charge. The others could actually follow. Let's look at important components. HDFC, profit booking, clearly it has not taken out the supply candles high. I personally feel it will come down by 20 to 25 points tomorrow. So HDFC is weak. Infi for me, IT pack is bullish, right? Above 1345, it could go all the way to 1382. And I think Reliance, because of crude factor also, right? Reliance showed some profit booking, but Reliance is now testing its resistances, right? I may want to, I see again, I was hoping for some sort of consolidation in this region, right? And I'm getting a good consolidation here. I feel Reliance will stay neutral. So Nifty is definitely long. Bank Nifty looks weak, basis the spot chart and the option chart, right? Now, from a stock standpoint, right, we had given Dal Bharat, we had given. So because it was a big gap up, right, most have not triggered. Just wait, okay. Balrampur Chini had said, I am waiting for some action above this. It's not given any entry. Bosch, I was looking at a short side of trade. Again, the entry. So we were looking at a short trade, right? The entry had happened. No. So again, none of the trades triggered, right? Now for tomorrow, from the IT pack, right? Mphasis, L&T Infotech, Mindtree, TCS, Wipro and Infosys all are looking good. I am picking up Mphasis. The reason is very simple. Mphasis has done a decent, if you look at the daily chart, right, they have consolidated fairly well. We are looking at one round of up move above 1924 to the targets of 1949 and 1982. Next one is Deepak Nitrite. Again, if you see, right, after 6 to 7 candles, right, it started giving indecision. Importantly, indecision candles are getting formed near this area above 2190. I am seeing 2215, 2243 to come in Deepak Nitrite. So Mphasis and Deepak Nitrite for long. Torrent Pharma, right, again similar structure, right? If you see, breakout, then retesting of these levels. Tomorrow around 1852 to 1869, if it gives a bullish candle, I would like to take a long trade. I am personally seeing a good movement. If you see, there is a good liquidity void created here. The void has been taken out. These three candles have taken out the bullish move here, right? But voluminous candle is here. Personally, I am expecting a reversal in Torrent Pharma. So all three bull side stocks for people, right? So friends, if you are liking the content, please share your comments, hit the like button. Also share the videos and the channel with your friends and family members, both the Telegram and YouTube channel. We would be more than happy to hear any feedback in case you guys have. The other thing is, many people are asking for live sessions. Yes, we'll try to do it. Currently, due to paucity of time, we are not able to dedicate more time, right? Mentorship batch 2 went live yesterday. Live as in we just started with it. We had an introductory session. We inducted the batch 2 members, right? That's the update about Catalyst Trading Institute. We'll try and see if I can do a live session on Friday, but for now, just signing off. I hope everyone has a good day. Today's US off. Volumes were, it was an operator driven play. Tomorrow, right, I think first half could be sluggish. Second half onwards, we could see some acceleration because we have an expiry on Thursday, right? With this, I will sign off. Friends, take care, be safe, try to protect your capital. 2 days have been good. Today was slightly choppy, but we came out unscathed. We'll try to continue the same momentum. Thank you, friends.